So the shocks are going on now, and what they do is they actually provide more with this suspension than just the regular function of a shock. So Josh and I are here to install these guys, and with the air spring, you have a tension on there. And so before installing these, we went ahead and let the air out of the bags. And if you're working on this on a car that's not inverted on the frame, you're going to want to make sure that you have a jack underneath the rear end for safety reasons. What you have is you have your different bushings, and so you have your smaller diameter ones, and those ones are going to go on the frame side of the vehicle. So what you do, of course, you've got to, you got to compress them in there. You've got your washers, and what's fortunate is the washers on this kit, which is available from Caddy Daddy, the washers are the same, but the bushings are different. So we want to make sure that we use the right upper versus lower bushings. Small diameter.
There's a small diameter, which is on the frame side, and that's the larger diameter that's on the axle side.
It's on the axle side,
and
right
there's
here.
two of each, one for each side of the frame or axle member that it's being attached to.
So you slide that guy on there, so you're going to have your washer and you have your bushing. And you can start out right in here. All right, so now we have a safer situation. We've got the shocks in there, and so we can not worry about having too much air or too little air within these bellows.